Are you too old to start to learn the piano? Let's talk about that. Hi, I'm Frank and I'm here to help you to be a successful musician. In this video, I want to answer this question that I see quite often when adults want to learn the piano. Is it too late? Are you too old to start to learn? The answer is no. Whatever your age is, it's not too late. If you are, let's say, in 30s, 40s, you are probably quite busy with your work and quite at the top of your career, or more or less, and you think it will be difficult to concile that with your work, maybe with your family, but having an activity of your own, like playing the piano, would be very helpful. One of the best benefits I think, and I experience myself in playing the piano, is how much it helps to relax, to relieve all this stress that you have for all your activities, managing maybe a team at work, or anyway, whatever you do in life. You are probably with different sources of stress and you need to take care of yourself. You need to relax and calm down. Being in front of a piano, starting to play, is extremely powerful for that. So it's highly recommended. So now, what about if you are older, let's say maybe 60 or 70, even 80, because trust me, there are people starting to learn the piano at 80. So if you are 80, that's fabulous, and I really encourage you to start. So you will have also the same benefit of having a pleasant moment by playing music. And there are other benefits, because I mentioned that in the previous video. One of the benefits of playing the piano, or any instrument by the way, is that it will train your brain to learn. It will maintain the activity of your brain and even create new connections that help you to learn even faster or other things. So for the health of your brain, it's very good to play an instrument, and the piano is very good for that, but also I think particularly for the hands, for the ability, the agility of your fingers. And even if you have arthritis, it can be beneficial. Disclaimer, I'm not a medical doctor, so okay, ask some advice if you have particular conditions, but in general, from what I know, it's beneficial, and it will help you to keep a good mobility of your fingers, of your hands, and it's very good for the brain. So at any age there are benefits, depending on when you start, but you can start really at any age and enjoy. Of course, you won't have the same goals. If you want to be a professional piano player, starting at 70, probably is a bit late, of course, but you know that, and you probably don't want to start to play the piano for this reason, but mostly to enjoy yourself, maybe to play for family. It would be wonderful to share music with others, and piano is a great instrument for that. So really, don't think that you're maybe too old to start to learn the piano. There's really no limit, no age limit. If you can still move your fingers, that's all what you need. You can really benefit a lot from that, and just just start to learn, and I'm here to help you in this channel and also on my blog guidetomusic.com. So just check this out and I will help you my best to get started with a piano and enjoy playing it as fast as I can to help you. So please just as a favor, leave in a comment what age do you have and what are your goals on the piano if you wish to learn it, and ask any question and let's start the discussion. I will leave you with this and I will see you in the next video.